Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create an animated video using AI. So without wasting our time, let's get right into it. Open your browser and head over to this website. Once you are logged in, type in your video idea and hit enter. Choose the aspect ratio. Choose the video length. I want to create a cartoon style video. You can add music or voice narration. It will now provide you with a video plan which you can review. Let's generate the video. Also on the top right, you can see my credit points, which allow me to create videos, so keep in mind that it's not free forever. I will make some changes by giving a few more prompts to get the video like how I want it. After some changes, this is the video I got. Once you are happy with the video, you can click on export to download it to your system. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.